HTML. How to create lists in HTML. What do you mean by lists? We had typed the paragraphs. Okay, we had typed the sentences in web pages. We had created the web pages with paragraphs. We had created the web pages with sentences. But now if we want to present some topic or some information in the form of lists. So list is a way of presenting your information in an organized way. A list is a way of organizing the data of your web page. You can either list could be by adding the numbers, or list could be by adding the bullets also to make them look more organized. So if we are adding the number or if we are adding the bullets, so according to that, we are having two types of lists. One is unordered list, that is also called bulleted list, and second is ordered list, which is also called numbered list. Note down in your rough copies. What do you mean by list? What do you mean by list? A list is a way of organizing the data on your web page. Everyone, switch on your camera so that I can see you are noting it down. A list is a way of organizing the data on your web page. There are two types of lists. One is unordered list, which is also called bulleted list. And second is ordered list, which is also called numbered list. जी नोट डाउन हो गया? Yes. Ritika, Kamil, note down हो गया? What is the other name of ordered list? What is the other name of unordered list? Unordered list is also called bulleted list, and ordered list is also called numbered list. Yes. Okay. Unordered lists which are used by adding the bullets. Unordered lists which are created by adding the bullets. Indent each item and add a bullet against each item. हर item के आगे एक bullet use होगी. And this type of list is used when the order of items is not important. We can write the items in any order. There is no particular order of the sentences. Like if we are typing the steps to open Notepad, click on start button, click on all programs, click on accessories, click on Notepad. They should be in particular order. So in that kind of list, we usually use the numbered list. But where the order of items is not important, I want to type the name of foods of Punjab. So we can type in any order, right? So when the order of items is not important, then we are using the unordered list, and unordered list is displayed by using the bullets, by using the bullets against each item, correct? The default bullet type is disk. By default, on any web page, when we create a list without defining any bullet type, जब कोई भी bullet type define नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो by default type of bullet is disk. Disk, what is disk? It is a small circle, small filled black circle. It is a small filled black circle. Note down the points, beta. An unordered list, indent each item and adds a bullet against each item. This list is used when the order of items is not important and the default bullet type is disk. That is the small filled black circle. Clear hai yahan tak? Okay. Next, but using the UL and LI tag. Bulleted list or unordered list is created by using the UL tag. UL, unordered list. Full form of UL is unordered list. This list is created by adding the UL tag, and it is a container tag. Unordered list begins and ends with a UL opening and UL closing tags respectively. And each item in the list is displayed by using the LI tag. हर list में चाहे वो unordered है चाहे वो ordered है, list items are defined by using the LI tag. I will show you how. First of all, note down attribute of UL tag. What is the attribute of UL tag? Only one attribute is used with the UL tag, that is type. Type attribute to define the type of bullet. There are three values which we can give to the type ID. That is disk, square or circle. Disk, square and circle. By default, if we are not using the type attribute, it is giving the disk bullets. If we want to have these square bullets, we will write type equals to square. And if we want the circle bullets, we will type circle type is equal to circle, like this. Yes, there are two types of list. Unordered list, okay, which is also called bulleted list. Second is ordered list and numbered list, which is also called numbered list. Okay, bulleted list or unordered list is used when order of items is not important. We can write the items in any order. At that time, we are using the unordered list when the order of items is not important. And ordered list is used when the order of items in a list, is important. Like we are typing the steps for doing anything. Okay. हाँ जी, यहाँ तक को clear है सबको? After that, we are using the tags. Which tags are used? For unordered list, we will use the UL tag to create an unordered list. Full form of UL is unordered list. Okay? To create a list, bulleted list. To create bulleted list, UL tag is used to create a bulleted list. It is a container tag. That means we will open the tag UL, then type the list items and close the UL tag. This will be your syntax. Open UL tag, type the list items and close the UL tag. And for each list item, we will use LI tag. Her list item जिसके आगे bullet होना चाहिए, that list item is defined by using the LI tag. List item. Full form of LI is list item. Okay, list item. Full form of LI tag. For every list item, suppose I am having two lists, we will type this. Again, LI. Okay, it is a container tag, वैसे तो, but it is not compulsory to close the LI tag. Without closing, it will also work. Otherwise, it is a container tag. We will type each list item, close the LI tag. Okay, then type the another list item, close the list tag. But if it will work without closing list item also. So in some books, it may be written that it is an empty tag. It is not an empty tag, it is a container tag, but it is not compulsory to close the LI tag. Okay. But otherwise, every container tag should be closed. But here it can work without closing because every item is starting with LI tag. Again, we are starting with LI, it will take the bullet again. Okay. So LI tag and UL tag. UL unordered list, container tag है. UL type करेंगे, then list items type करेंगे and close the UL tag. Each list item is defined by using the LI tag. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now, for example, I want to type the bullet list of 5 Ds, which is given in your book also. Suppose 5 Ds of success. Let's type in Notepad. Okay. We will start with HTML, then head, then title. I'm using unordered list. Close the title tag. Then close the head tag. Now I will start with the body tag. I want to give the background color. What should we do? What should I do now? I want to give the background color of web page. Yes. What should I do, Pragati?
BG color.
BG color. I should type the BG color attribute. BG color equals to and give any color that you want to use. Suppose I am using teal. Then close it. Now I want to type 5 Ds for success. Okay, in yellow color and in size 6. So I'm typing font color equals to yellow. Okay, then I need the size also. Size equals to 6. Then close the tag. I want it in bold. Now type 5 Ds of success. Okay, then what should I close? Close B, then close font. Okay, Cheshta, clear hai beta yahan tak? Are you noting down the coding? Yes. Are you noting down the coding? Anik, Raghav, coding note kar rahe ho? Note down this coding beta. Everyone, you are supposed to do this coding in your own notepads. आपको अपने notepad में ये coding करके check करनी है, बनानी है lists. Okay, now I want to have the list item. I want to display the list items in color white. So I will specify the font before the list and I want the size equals to 5. Now I will start unordered list. Now first item of list is LI. Unordered list means here my list starts. First item of my list is dedication. Then second item again start with LI. Second item is devotion. Then third item of list is discipline. Then fourth item discrimination. Last item determination. Now my list is complete. I will close UL tag. Okay, see this. Start with UL tag. Type the list item by using the LI tag. Then close the UL tag. Okay. Now last one, I'm going to close font tag. This font tag which I had started. Now I'm closing it. Now after that, I need to close body tag. Then I'm going to close HTML tag. Okay. Now save this file. File, save as, give a name. I'm saying UN list.html and document type all files. Click on save. Now open it. How to open? Go to the browser. Go to the browser. Open any browser. Ctrl+O to open the file. Check the location where you had saved the file. Now find the file. See, click on open. Anji, is it visible? Yes, is it visible to everyone? Somil, Manasvi, Raghav,
Yes, ma'am.
here, Rhythm. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Chahat, any doubt, beta? Parth? Okay. Now we are supposed to type here. We are using attribute of UL tag. Attribute of UL tag. One attribute is used, that is type, to define the type of bullet. There are three values. By default, disk is there. You can give circle and you can give square. Note down three values of the type attribute: disk, circle, square. Now here, by default, disk was there. Now I want it to square. I'm giving type equals to square. Save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. See, bullets change. Can you see the bullets now? There are square bullets. Yes, Tushar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, you can go back to Notepad. You can try the different bullet. I'm giving it now circle. Save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. See, bullets changed. So there are three types of bullets. If we are not defining any type, by default, it is disk. Okay. And otherwise, you can give circle as well as square. Square will be filled square. Circle will be empty square, circle. And disk will be filled circle. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Okay, now next we are going to do unordered list. Presently we had done the unordered list. Now we are going to do ordered list. What do you mean by ordered list? Yes, where we use the ordered list? Anyone? Where we use the ordered list? Okay, what is the difference between unordered list and ordered list? What is the difference between unordered
Ma'am,
list,
can I tell?
unordered list and ordered list? Yes.
Unordered list is used when orders of items is not important,
Correct.
whereas ordered list is used when the orders of items in a list is important.
Correct. When the order of items in a list is important. Suppose I'm giving the steps to do something, or I'm going to give the steps to make a cake. So where the order of the steps is important, I can use the numbered list. It is not compulsory कि हाँ वहाँ पे ordered list ही use करनी है. I can use unordered, but usually to differentiate between the unordered and bulleted list or numbered list or ordered list, we specify कि where items order of items is not important, I can use the unordered list. But where the item order is important, I should give the ordered list so that the 1, 2, 3, 4 items can be identified. Okay. Now here, ordered list, we can start with OL tag. Ordered list is start with OL tag. That is the full form of this is ordered list. Okay, it is also a container tag as the unordered list. It is also a container tag. Okay, that means it should be closed. I will type OL, then type the list items that I want to add, then close the OL tag. OL to start the list. Now the list will be ordered. Now instead of bullets, numbers will be displayed. If I type OL, instead of bullets, numbers will be displayed. So OL say, then give the list item. For every list item, automatically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers will be displayed, and close the UL tag, close the OL tag. Okay, then close the OL tag. Here also we are having some attributes. What attribute was used with OL tag? What attribute, which attribute was used with the OL tag? Yes. UL tag के साथ हमने कौन सा attribute use किया अभी? Type attribute to define the bullet of the list. Now we are having again one type attribute to define the number of the list. Numbering style. To define the numbering style of the list. Okay? So we can have the type attribute. Type attribute will can have the values. It can have the values like capital I to define the Roman numbers. It can have the value small I to define the small Roman numbers. It can have the value capital A. It can have the value of small a. Or by default, it is having 1. By default, it is having 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 automatically will be displayed. But you can change the numbering style to capital A, B, C. That means the list item will start with the uppercase letters, small a, B, C, so that the numbers will start with the lowercase letters, uppercase Roman letters and lowercase Roman letters. Uppercase Roman letters and lowercase Roman letters. हाँ जी, नोट डाउन हो गया बेटा?
मैम एक बार एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ OL टैग फिर से समझा दोगे?
OL टैग का एक ही एट्रीब्यूट है बेटा, अभी मैंने करवाया. That is your this type. There is one more attribute which can be used. Anji, second attribute that can be used with the OL tag, that is your start. By default, list item starts with 1. Okay? If we are giving the A, so it will start with capital A. If we are giving small a, it is starting with small a. But start will change the starting number. Start attribute is used to change the starting number of your list. It is used to change the starting number of your list. Okay? Secondly, start, it should be given like this. Start equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. It should always be given in numbers. Start equals to 4. If I'm giving start equals to 4, the list will start with 4 number. Okay, start is equal to 4, the list will start with 4 number. But if you want your list to start with capital C, so what I am going to do? If I say UL type equals to capital A and start equals to 3. Why I'm giving 3? Start equals to 3. So it will start the list from capital C, A, B, C. Third point, third number, C. Start will have only numbers. It will not have any alphabet. चाहे आपने कोई भी टाइप यूज करी हो लिस्ट आइटम में, UL टाइप कोई भी यूज कराओ, बट स्टार्ट विल हैव ओनली नंबर्स. ये माइंड में रखना. अगर आपको अपनी लिस्ट कैपिटल रोमन लेटर के 4th लेटर से स्टार्ट करनी है, यू विल नॉट टाइप स्टार्ट इक्वल्स टू IV. नो, यू विल टाइप स्टार्ट इक्वल्स टू 4. Start item, start attribute will have only numbers. Okay, let's see. मैं आपको नोटपैड में करके दिखा रही हूँ. Suppose we are having this. ठीक है, I'm changing it OL. I'm not using any attribute. by default. So I'm changing it to OL. Now see, this is OL with default settings. Okay. Now I save it. Go to the browser, refresh it. So it is having numbers now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by default numbers. क्या किया हमने? We had type OL list item, OL close. So it is giving me the list item in numbers. Okay, यहाँ तक clear है? Yes, Somil, Hariom, Chahat, यहाँ तक clear है बेटा? Okay, now if we are using type.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Type equals to capital A. Now I'm saving it. Go to the browser window, refresh it. Now see, type equals to capital A. So it is giving me the list in A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Similarly, if I use type is equal to small a or small I, save it, go to the browser window and refresh it. So it is giving me small Roman letters. Okay. हाँ जी, यहाँ तक clear हो गया? Now, if I want the Roman letters should start with, by default 1 से start हो रहे हैं, I'm giving start equals to 4 or start equals to 5. So what it will do? I'm not typing here this 5. ये 5 type नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm typing number 5. Okay. Save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. See, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So list item will start with that particular number, which we are giving in the start attribute like this. Start equals to 5. Okay. If I am giving here small a and I'm giving it here start equals to 4. Where from where it will start the list? List कहाँ से start होगी? Yes, anyone? List कहाँ से start होगी? What is the fourth letter?
D.
D. So it will start with D. We are not typing start equals to D. ये ध्यान में रखो. We are not typing start equals to D. We are typing start equals to number. Okay. Refresh it. See D, E, F, G, H. Okay. हाँ जी, many of the students had joined very late. कुछ बच्चों को मैं पहले बोल चुकी हूँ कि they had joined at 9:20 after 7-8 minutes, but many students were joining after 9:20 even. 9:20. Saksham, Bagoria, Saksham, Mita, Lankit, and Hariom, they were joining so late. But a class starts at 9 o'clock. You must join the class at 9 o'clock only. Not so late.